We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP OfficeJet Pro 5740. So with this particular model, there's not very many places that you can check for your jam or even clear it. So lift up the top hatch as if you're going to replace your ink. You'll see a little gray lever here. If you pop that up, your piece of paper should be right there and you can easily, grab it, pull it gently up and out. You never want to yank or pull really hard or pull really fast on the paper because it could rip pieces of paper off into the printer or damage a sensor, which both would result in more paper jam. So once you get it cleared, stick that back in there, pop it in. Once you hear it pop, you know it's in place. Then you should be good to go. If you're continuously seeing jams even after you're clearing them, or if you're unable to clear the code on your printer for the jam after you've cleared it, go ahead and give us a call. It's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.